The third thing is you learn to isolate. You don't just mix with crowd. And you cannot see Mr. President jumping from one concert to another. Davido is coming, Wizkid is coming. No, they are always quiet. Silence, quietness is a strategy, is a weapon that many people don't use. When you are quiet, when you are isolated, revelation will be released. Because there's no how you can be elevated without revelation. When you are on your own, you know, great people, they don't miss anyhow. They select their circle. They are very, very sensitive. They are very intentional. So learn not to follow crowd, because there's no classmate anywhere. The SAN is my classmate. Am I an SAN? He has distinguished himself, because that is what, you know, he said it. He said, my target, he hit the ground running from the beginning. My own target, mi ò fẹ́ tòṣì. I want this, everybody knows me, and I want to do it legit. I don't want to, so I follow that path. I isolated myself. Friends are going to party. It's good to party, but you can't make it an occurrence in your life, regular occurrence, and you say you want to succeed. It's not possible. So you must learn to use the weapon of isolation.